Introduction to the bird dog exercise.
The bird dog exercise is a popular movement designed to strengthen your core and protect your lower back. It is simple to perform anywhere, requires no equipment, and can help improve balance, stability, and posture. Mastering the correct technique is key to gaining the full benefits while avoiding common mistakes and potential injury.
Setting up, position and alignment.
Start by kneeling on the floor with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Keep your back flat and your neck in line with your spine. Gently engage your abdominal muscles to support a neutral spine position. Proper setup helps ensure safe movement and maximum effectiveness of the bird dog exercise.
Executing the bird dog movement.
Slowly extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping both parallel to the floor. Reach out through your fingertips and toes without arching your back or twisting your hips. Hold the position for a few seconds, maintaining balance and control, then return to start. Switch sides to work both halves of your body equally.
Common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Avoid letting your back sag or rounding your shoulders. Keep your hips level and do not tilt your pelvis. Control each movement to prevent wobbling. Move slowly and deliberately, focusing on stability rather than speed. If you find it difficult to balance, try starting with just an arm or a leg until you build strength.
Benefits for core and back health.
Performing the bird dog correctly boosts core strength, enhances lower back support, and improves overall body coordination. It targets deep stabilizing muscles, which are essential for daily movements and injury prevention. Regular practice can contribute to better posture, reduce back pain, and build a strong foundation for other exercises.
Tips for progress and frequency.
Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions on each side several times per week. As you gain confidence, pause longer at the extended position or add light ankle and wrist weights for a challenge. Consistency and mindful technique are vital for seeing results and maintaining a healthy back and core.